Hi friends, in this problem we are given a triangle, the lengths of three sides. Triangle ABC whose lengths we are given. AC is equal to 24, BC is equal to 10, AB equal to 26. AB, BC, CA. Now we have to find what is the radius of the insect. Right. Looking like it looks very complex, but when we are given these sides, we should instantly recognize that this is actually a right angle triangle. Right. 24 square, which is 576, plus 10 square, 100, 676. Root of 676 is actually equal to 26. Right. So this is a right angle triangle. Now, because it is a right angle triangle, it becomes very easy to calculate what is the insect. How? Let's say. Right. This is a right angle triangle. Right. 24, 26. This is 26. This is 10. And this is 24. 24 square plus 10 square is equal to 26 square. This is a right angle triangle. Right. In a right angle triangle, let's say this is the incircle. Let's draw the incircle like this. Now, what is incircle? Incircle is the one which touches the sides. Right. That means from the center of the incircle to the sides, the distance will be equal. Right. The radius will be the distance between the center to the sides. The perpendiculars drawn from the center to the sides. Right. The lengths of those perpendiculars would be the radius. Right. Now, if you see this diagram, this is R, let's say. Right. Let's say this is triangle, this is A, and this is B, and this is C. Opposite A, this length of side is A, and opposite B is this length is B, and this length is C. Right. Now, this radius is R. Right. This radius. This is obviously perpendicular. So that means this line is parallel to BC. Right, this line is parallel to BC. So then this becomes R, this becomes A minus R. Right, so far so good. This is A minus R, this is R. Right, now again, this is another perpendicular, right? This is another perpendicular. So, and similarly, this is also another perpendicular, right? Because the circle touches this point and then this is the radius and the radius is actually equal to center to the side. It's perpendicular down from the center to the side. So that's why this is also 90 degrees, this is also 90 degrees. Now if you take these two triangles, right, this triangle and again this triangle, these two triangles, these are similar triangles. Why? Because one of the angles is 90 degrees in both the cases 90 degrees. And the hypotenuse is same, right? Hypotenuse is the one that is opposite to the right angle. And hypotenuse is same. One angle is right angle and the radius is also same. Right. One of the lengths is also same. Hypotenuse same. The one of the sides is same, that means the other side is automatically same. Right. The other side is automatically same. What does that mean? If this side, if this becomes A minus R, this also will become A minus R. Right. If this is this also becomes A minus R. Right. Now let's hold it like this. Now again, this is R. This is R because this is again the radius. This is R. What that means automatically this also is R. Right. Because this is again a perpendicular. So this is also R. Basically, this is a square. Right. This is square. This is also R. Now what will this is R. What will this entire piece become? This thing. This will become B minus R because total is B. So this is B minus R. Now, again, this angle is again right angle. This angle is again right angle. And in this right angle, the hypotenuse is common between these two triangles. Right? Between this triangle and this triangle. Right? The hypotenuse is common. This is right angle. And the radius, that means one of the lengths is also same. This is equal to this. right? This is equal to this, and hypotenuse is also same. That means obviously this is equal to this, right? Two sides are same, and one of the angles is right angle. Obviously, that means the third side is also same. These two triangles are also congruent. What does that mean? If this is b minus r, this also will be b minus r. Right. Now this is also b minus r. What does that mean? A minus r plus b minus r is actually equal to c. Right. Because this is originally c. That is what we have. A minus r plus b minus r is equal to c. What does that mean? 2r is equal to a plus b minus c. Right. A plus b minus c. C we take this side, it will become 2r. So r is equal to a plus b minus c by 2. This is the this is the relation when it is a right angle triangle. Luckily, this triangle that is given to us is right angle. So we don't need to worry anything. Only if the sides are long, then will be able to calculate what is that incircle radius. Right. So it is 24, 24. So what are the legs that you want? Right. One is 10 and 24. 10 plus 24 minus 26. 10 plus 24 plus 10 minus 26, which is actually 28. That is 2r. So r is equal to 4. Right. This is a nice problem. But the important thing for us to understand is this property of incircle when it is inscribed in a right angle triangle. This is very important property. Please remember this. Not just the formula, we should remember these proofs also. These proofs help us at multiple places. Though they will not be directly asked in exams, but the methodology will help us in solving a lot of problems. Okay, guys. Thank you.